Hello everyone, welcome back to app, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting on Windows 11. Here are some simple ways to fix Wi-Fi disconnecting. If your Wi-Fi is not connecting or is disconnecting, then first of all restart both your router and your computer too. After restarting, now open Wi-Fi settings, open settings for network and internet. Now click on Wi-Fi. Once you click on Wi-Fi, scroll down till you see manage known networks and forget the network you're connected to. Now click on forget password. Now click on show available networks and again reconnect entering your password. If the issue still continues, open device manager by searching it in the start. Now look for network adapters and look for this Wi-Fi adapter. You can update your drivers. You can browse locally or search for drivers online. Now after you update your Wi-Fi drivers, restart your computer. Then you can also again go to your settings and search for network troubleshoot and click on fix and find network problems, and it will troubleshoot the problem. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi connection should now be stable and working. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.